Ooh, it's cold and flu season. It's a critical time to build up your immune system. Come on, let me show you how to make some ginger shots. Ginger is one of the healthiest spices in the world. For centuries, its powerful compounds have been fighting bacteria, virus, and infections. And we're going to be cutting up some ginger. We're going to be also cutting up some turmeric, which also possess immune boosting properties. Kiwi has more vitamin C than an orange. And lemon has vitamin C. It boosts your immune system and it helps your body to absorb iron. Now we're going to put all of these in our juicer or our blender. The concept here, we're making morning ginger and turmeric shots. These are wonderful for cold and flu. Look at that juice. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, every morning, just a shot. Make enough of this to last you for the week and take a shot of this every morning, and cold and flu won't have nothing on you.